Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to make a symbol out of a schematic. So this is one cascode schematic. So two RF mouse are used here, and then we have connected these mouse to the pin and given the name accordingly. So the making symbol is very simple. You just need to go to create and then cell view, and after that from cell, and here you need to select the schematic symbol and then press OK. Now these ports has come. So in symbol we need to make the ports left, right, top, bottom. So I'll give the name. So on left I'll gate and gate gas, and for top pin I'll give the drain, and body I'll give to the bottom pin, and source I provided the right pin. Okay, so click OK. So that's how the symbol got created. You can give the name cascode. So this thing we can use for post layout simulation. So here if you see now, the symbol got created which was not there earlier. So that's how we create a symbol out of any schematic. So thanks for watching.